Put your dress on.
What?
You should put on now.
And that's Lucas and Peyton. They're getting married.
I'm telling you right now, they're not in the last couple of seasons. They're not.
I know that.
Because it's dead.
Shut up. No, they're not. He's from the damn
He's from
the Cinderella story. Yeah.
Mine looks messy.
supposed to be messy.
And that's broke. That's broke.
They said that you have
owns her
to.
own fashion line of clothing.
They said that you have to, to finish it off. You have to, you have to put it over and then brush it off. Then spray your hair.
You want like this?
But it's like there's two parts showing.
What are you talking about? What is part showing? What is showing? Your hair showing? What's up with it?
Yeah, but do what they said. Like it takes part of my hair and then put it over.
No, you're fine like this.
No. I just leave it like that
Right there.
I just leave it like that. You just want to bang. You don't have a lot of hair.
No,
have a lot of hair.
brush this part right here.
Anybody can...
No, wait, brush this part right here.
Dad, can you just trust mommy?
Listen, I used to do this hairstyle when I was...
This is like Stephanie's, Michelle's, DJ's hairstyle on Full House. She has her bangs out.
I was 8 years. I used to do my hair like that.
Stop.
There's something in your hair.
That way,
Can you brush
then
it
I don't think they were,
Copying her.
Can you brush it more?
Honey, wait. Can you stay still?
Yours is perfect.
Do something with the
Oh,
bag.
I gotta do something. Wait, I gotta think. Hold on.
Do something with the bag. Don't leave it down. You look funny with it down. You look like a
Do
ponytail
something.
or a braid.
Braille.
See, mommy, she wants braid in the back.
No, in the back.
What are you talking about that? What are you talking about?
I want
This braid, right?
I want it right here like that.
Leave it. I think it's something.
Can you brush it?
Right there, Mom? Right there?
Yeah.
Who's getting the other flower one? Like,
That's
the
mine.
chef? Oh, it's yours? Nana, leave it alone.
Leave it.
Nana's gonna be the first one to mess up.
Oh, can you fix it?
Look how cute that looks, just like that.
No.
Huh?
It's too messy.
That's how it is in the 70s. Puffy and messy.
Hello? Doing our hair.
So I could just fell asleep and woke back up.
She's doing Nana's hair. What are you doing to her hair? Messy? Oh, you didn't look cute.
No.
Nana, her phone's charging.
Oh, you called me?
Mom. No, he can't. He's gonna look cute. You're a beehive like that. You could have a lot right here. Take a picture. Wait, that's recording? I didn't even know.
I would love to go shopping.
For 5 minutes.
Hello.
Ma, you doing my hair? Mom! Ma, you doing my hair?
Like my hair? I got X in my hair.
You doing my hair?
No, I'm not done. Right, what? No. I'm gonna punch you, son.
I like Saida. Saida, Mommy said she's gonna punch you.
I'm done. No. Look, now we can do this.
Ah!
Oh, I gotta show you a picture of you so I can hear what I did to her.
Mommy said I was gonna what? She's gonna punch you. Why? Nothing, I'm playing. And they're recording for 7 minutes. I like your beehive.
Alright. Whatever you just said, alright. What is it that you're looking for? Because everything, you know. What you mean so funky? Star, should I slap you now? You know how many shoes you have in your freaking closet? Pick one. No, you're not gonna find no funky shoes, especially on New Year's Eve that everything's gonna close early.
I like that. I want to make it better.
Alright, so don't go to Route 80. Back road, yeah, Union Ave. Oh my god, I know you did not tell me to shut up. There's one in River Street. They close at 6. And then everybody's the one that's going on from the one in Hawthorne. I don't know what.